So summer's here and the heat's not the only thing kicking your balls. You want a drink, something refreshing, but you're getting tired of beer and the beer companies and all their subliminal messaging. Or maybe you've got no soul, literally like this ginger, and you need some liquid Michael Jackson. Asshole, the ratio is sweet. What are you doing? Why are you dancing with a boombox? It's this sort of shit that drives me to drinking. And looking at these fucking hippies just makes me want to punch something. So I guess that's our drink then. Rum punch, let's to it. Cue the fiery intro. Let's do this. Start with a cup, put in some ice. Fake ice is fine. Some rum. A little more rum. Maybe a little more rum. Orange juice. Pineapple juice. Carefully layer some grenadine on top, and you're done.